you think of Swept? Like, how does it work with your company?
I love Swept. Since we've integrated it, our complaints have gone way down. Our employees are more engaged. We see a lot of correspondence between themselves before it even comes to our office, taking care of any issues that are in accounts. Love the client information portion of it, where an employee, before they even go into a building, can see if there's any special needs or concerns, certain ins and outs of the building that they might not necessarily have access to.
Awesome. What would happen if Swept went away?
Questions?
That would be bad. I would be sad. My job would become more difficult. Currently, we have 40 clients. I feel that we can grow as high as we want to with Swept. It'll be great. I mean, we can. As we've increased, we started using Swept with just a few clients, and we kept adding them. And as it increased, our workload did increase. Once they're input into Swept, easy peasy.
That's awesome.